guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys the new Milk Makeup Primer, and I am so excited because I actually received this product for free to review by influencers. So if you guys aren't signed up, then I will leave a link down below because this is definitely a great way to be trying new products, a lot of makeup, even hair care. I've never tried Milk makeup and I love primers. So the primer just came in this little beautiful holographic iridescent blue purple toned box. Primer just looks like this, really beautiful. Definitely like the packaging and how sleek and pretty it looks. I'm gonna read briefly on key points. So this is a Take Your Skin on a Trip Hydro Grip Primer. So this is hemp derived cannabis seed extract, blue agave extract, activate all day hydration and hold. So your skin is definitely not going to look dull, it's going to be hydrating, and it's going to stay all day. And I have tried this out for about a week, and I have to say that I really enjoy this primer. And so let me continue. Pretty much this has a lot of good stuff for your skin. It has aloe water, cherry blossom, hyaluronic acid, B vitamins boost for a healthier looking skin base. I can say that even though it's hydrating, it's definitely for the oily skin girls as well as the dry skin girls. So this is that great primer that is good for everyone. And the price on this primer is $30. That's a good price for the amount of product that you get, as well as a pump, because I love how it does have that pump. Now I'm going to show you guys a little demo how it applies and how it looks and what I think about it. So let's just get started. Pretty much just take the pump because it says a pump, and I just squeeze like this much. Clear and slightly liquidy, if you guys could see. It's pretty thick. It's kind of sliding down my fingers like that. Warm it up a little bit and then just apply it to my face. So I just start from here. It feel like liquidy consistency. It just goes on clear, and when I run my fingers through this, I do feel kind of tackiness, like sticky a little bit, but not sticky where it doesn't feel good. It's like how it says, a grip. So that's the consistency that I feel. Scent is kind of different than what I am usually used to. This is more fresh. I really smell the herbal ingredients, and it just kind of leaves my face like this. So if you guys could see, it's just pretty much clear. It doesn't create any sort of shine from what I could see. Not shiny at all, so it's not like you're gonna be an oil slick mess. It's definitely not like that, but it's hydrating enough. I'm going to do my foundation, and it's looking pretty good. I could definitely see that it's gripping. Like, I don't know if you guys will be able to see on camera, but my foundation is sticking very well. Definitely makes my makeup stay. Doesn't make me oily. Something that I was scared of because it's hydrating. I felt like it was just gonna be very oily in a way, and it's definitely not. So I'm gonna continue on to my concealer. It is very hydrating and it feels nice and refreshing on the skin, but it is not a dewy base primer. You guys could see I haven't set my foundation, but I am not dewy, I am not oily, and I'm just kind of blurred, and definitely I like how it feels. I do not feel any sort of stickiness. I could definitely feel that it feels nice and very lightweight. Alright, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup, and I have to say that pretty much this is going to last all day. It's pretty good. It does not create any sort of like dewiness, so if you guys are looking for that, then this is probably not it. Definitely you guys could maybe add like a setting spray that's more dewy and moisturizing to kind of look a little bit glowy like that. and this one, I have to say I really like it. And if you guys are thinking about it and want that all day stay with natural good ingredients and kind of want that refreshing feel on your face, then definitely try this out. So I hope you guys like this review. If you guys have any more questions, then leave them down in the comment section down below and I will definitely answer them for you guys. So like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!